Communication is not like you started today and immediately you will be able to get results. No, it is not like that. The most important thing that we need to focus on is it's all about continuous improvement. This is very important thing. It is all about continuous improvement. Whenever we talk about our continuous improvement, we need to take care of couple of things. First, it is all about understanding how do we focus on improving ourselves every single day. Now, to answer this question, the answer is very simple and it is all there in your actions. Are we taking conscious actions to improve our language skill? This is the most important question. And for this purpose, it's very important that first we need to analyze where exactly we stand in terms of improving ourselves in simple and step-by-step manner. Now let's focus on the first thing first. What is the first thing? It's all about forming the sentences. It's all about making accurate sentences. It's all about making short and simple sentences. Whenever you see me, I like to speak with simplicity so that my audience will understand with simplicity. Now, every time you see any video that I have recorded, every time you see any live session, you will always see that I love the language where there is simplicity in that. But there is a beauty of using these sentences. Let's understand this particular thing. First, you need to understand that every single time you are trying to make sentences, the first level of accuracy is based on tenses in English, practical tenses. We don't need to focus on too many tenses at the right time. As per the situation, as per the context, you need to focus on understanding what are the practical tenses that I need to use. That's the first part of your sentence. Up to the main verb, we need to focus on our practical tenses. After the main verb, there is another important part that we need to focus on, which includes right prepositions, right usage of articles, and also the right usage of conjunctions as well. So whenever we try to communicate, we also need to focus on considering our improvement and our way of communication based on tenses also and based on prepositions, articles, and conjunctions. If you are able to correct yourself at this particular moment, trust me, you will become an excellent communicator. And that's why it is very important for you to improve yourself in every single way. If you naturally see yourself, let's say you are conducting your office meeting, let's say you are preparing for your presentation, let's say you want to talk with your friend, let's say you want to talk with your client or any other situation in your life. Every single time we start the conversation, we have a clear understanding about the topic of that particular discussion. Once we are clear about that particular topic, we also understand how are we going to discuss based on tenses. Yes or no? We understand whether it is a present form, whether it is a past, or whether it's a future form. Once you understand that, your mind automatically suggests you that let me go ahead with this particular form now. Let me follow this particular thing. Suddenly, in between, if I recall or if I remember something from the past, I will immediately go and I will simply think about it. And I will share that last week I was just working on that and whatever it may be. You will immediately recall that moment and you will automatically continue the same process. Let's say you want to talk about the planning that you have already made or you have already decided to do something in future. You will immediately be able to understand that yes, I need to go ahead and do this particular thing. So you will be able to use some of the model auxiliary verbs. You will also be able to use will, and you will also use some of the sentences in present continuous tense like I'm visiting the mall upcoming weekend, or you can also say I'm going to do this thing, that thing, or something like that. The best part in this particular process is you are in a position to control your own thoughts based on understanding all of these things in simple and step-by-step manner. That's how you improve your overall English communication skills and the impact you create on people.